What is up, everybody? We are starting this episode on a fantastic effing journey. Loading up the car here at Wawa because, you know, we live in an HOA and the neighbors are weird. And we're borrowing Kevin's Lexus. And we jumped the hitch. We had to jack it up just now. Find that. We're all loaded up. And we'll be at the hotel in a little bit. I'm kind of tired, so bump. Reverse boop. We are in West Virginia. We got a sleepy Kevin Rent. Oh, he go back to the truck now. And we come here to find Todd. We're gonna go check in because apparently I parked in the back of the hotel. I honestly have no idea where we left off with, but Kevin's driving my car down. So everybody say hi to Kevin. We're here at Summit Point. Kind of rocky morning. But no, it wasn't too rocky. It was just shitty, as in we all just want to sit on the toilet and shit. But yeah, no, Kevin's pretty sturdy with driving Ella's car, so that's pretty dope. We're gonna go see him drive a little bit. Give it some gas. There you go, Kev. I seriously have no idea where we left off, but weekend could have been really bad, but it wasn't too bad. My FDF arm separated the welds. Luckily, Cricket at Drift HQ was able to put it back the car. Car did really well. We still got these tires left. Be able to cook a few, but other than that, it was a solid weekend. We're on our way back home. We're not too far from home. I'm not afraid anything will happen. I probably will jinx it, but this thing is so solid. So, yeah. About 2 hours to home. 3.5 hour drive. Kevin's in the bathroom, but I'm just gonna wrap up from here. So, good night.